Je m'appelle Toyi.
Ça va.
Et je voudrais vous inviter à l'11e anniversaire de Maranatha. L'événement est du 14 à 16 juillet de cette année ici à Dubaï. Il faut venir. Merci beaucoup.
For those that don't understand Farase, she's speaking Farase and she's talking about our anniversary that is coming up and it's next month around the corner. Please, I cannot speak too much grammar. It's English I'm speaking. So listen to me. If you don't know English, listen. What she's saying is the anniversary is around the corner. What's happening to this mic? Thank you, my sister. Anniversary is around the corner and it's 11th year anniversary we are talking about. It's next month. 14, 15 and 16 of July. Please, I don't want to hear I'm going to work. I have duty. Every duty, just bang it. Don't say that I'm going to work, I'm not going to come. I'm not going to be a partaker. Be a partaker of this anniversary so that you don't miss out. I don't want you to miss out. The first day is Thursday, 14. Come with your dancing suit, not high heel, dancing suit, so that you can dance all your sorrow away on Thursday. You dance and dance and dance and dance. Anyone will just be looking at you that what is making her happy is the dancing. No, please don't miss it. On Friday is prayer. You come for prayer, you will pray, we dance, and we talk about the word of the God. We make enemy shake like this. We shake all the corners and shake the Dubai. We want them to know that we are doing anniversary 11 years old in Dubai. Where it happened? It happened in India High School in Bo, Dubai. Please don't miss it. Thursday and Friday, very important. On Saturday, we are moving everything to, please remind me, Crown Plaza in Reef Mall. Very close though, there's metro that can bring you there. And on Thursday, you come by yourself. On Friday, we have bus that can bring you everywhere, every corner in this Dubai. Please don't miss out. You are blessed as you are coming. The last thing, please. Last week we share envelope. Please, if you have the envelope with you today, please, we are begging you to bring it now so that you can be blessed. And if you don't have, please raise up your hand. We are going to give you one now.